everyone, and today we are going to share some tips, or today we are going to discuss how to keep away your baby or your kid from the junk food. So let's start with that. And my name is Jayashree and I have a daughter. She is around 2 years old now, and we were also facing the same problem because my daughter, she used to eat so many things which are kind of junk food, like she likes to eat biscuits, chocolates. And so here are some tips which I did for my baby, and now she is little bit away from the junk food. So you guys also try all these tips to keep away your babies from the junk food. So let's start with that. Actually, nowadays it is a very common problem, or it is a very common topic among the parents, that our children are not eating food properly. They are more focusing on the junk food, not for the homemade foods. Because it is not the kids' problem, it is ours problem, because we are keeping all those things in our house. Whenever any guest comes, we are serving all those things to the guest. Why we are doing so? Why? Because we are thinking that this is the main special things, and this is the most common things which we are using for the other guests or other people, those who are coming to our house. Why we are showing to kids that these are the special items? See, if you are saying that this is the special items or this is the most attractive thing, then definitely the kids will be attracted to that. Yes or no? And we are also attracted to that. We also want to eat chips, we also want to eat chocolates. Why? If we want to change the habits of our kids, first of all, we should change our habits. We should focus on the fruits, vegetables, salads in our daily diet. Then only our kids will change. Otherwise, definitely they will not change their habit, because if the things are available at home and they know that you have kept the chocolate inside the cupboard or you have kept the sweets inside the fridge, definitely they will be attracted to that. So first of all, first thing is you have to keep all those things. Either you throw it out or you give it to somebody else, because if you are keeping junk food in your home, definitely your kid will not go away from that junk food. That is for sure. So first tip, you have to follow this. If you can follow this, then only you can implement next of the tips. The next tip is, whenever the guest comes in your home, then you ask them to bring some fruits or some other things which are healthy for the kids. Because if they are bringing chocolates or some attractive thing like chips to the kids, and if they are giving chips or chocolates to the kids, definitely they will think that this is the special thing. That is why the guests are coming with all those things. Now the next tip is, prefer home cooking. Home cooking things like you can make pizza, burger, french fries, all these things at home. You can make different kind of smoothies at home. So you can offer all these things to your kids so that they will not be attracted when they go outside. Because whenever they are going outside, and if you are not giving all those items in their daily routine or in their home, then they will think that this is the special items, or they will be having the craving of eating all those things. So better you give all these homemade things to them, and whenever you are going outside, tell them that this is not good. Why? Because they are adding so much of chemicals in pizzas and burgers. That is why it is not good, and they are not using the good cooking oil. So that is why better to avoid all those situations outside and give them all those things in their home. So they will not be having all junk food items outside. So this is also very important. I am trying to make that, and it is really helping me a lot. The next tip is, tell them the importance of nutrition. Now, if your child is big enough to understand what is nutrition value of any food item, so definitely you should tell them what is the nutrition of any food, like what you are eating outside and what you are eating inside the home. So you should tell all those things. Definitely they will understand, and you should tell them what are the vitamins and proteins, what they are functioning in their body. So if they are understanding all those things, so definitely they will accept the things, and they will also try to eat home cooked food, so that they will not get sick and they will not have any kind of health related issues, like sometimes they have stomach pain, all those things. So they will not want all those things in their life. So better you should tell them nutrition value of any food item, And if you want, you can show them related videos, or you can show them some articles related to that, like what are the effects of junk foods on the body. Now the next thing is innovative cooking. So you should try different variety of food at home. Like you can make different kind of smoothies for them, you can make juices for them, and you can also make burger, pizza, and all those things at your home. So definitely they will not be attracted towards the junk food. Now the next step is healthy shopping. So whenever you are going outside with your kid, you tell them what you are going to buy and why you are buying that things, why it is important and why it has more nutrition value. You should tell them what is the contents of anything, so definitely they will understand the things and definitely they will be attracted towards that, because no one wants to harm their body. So definitely they will understand the things and they will try to have those things which have more nutrition value. Now the next step is don't give up. The main thing is that if you want to change the habits of your kids, first of all you have to change your habits to eat junk food. I know most of us parents, we are eating so much of junk foods which we should avoid first, then only our kids will be away from that food items. Now you should not give up so soon, because it is a habit which is developed over a period of time. Now it will take some time to leave that habit or to give up that habit. So better you give some time for your kid so that they will also change their habit. So maybe it will take 1 month or 2 months, or it depends on how frequently he or she was eating the food items, that junk food items. Okay, so give them some time. If they want to eat, sometimes we should give them. It's not like that. Why? Because suppose if there is any urgency, or if you are not able to cook the homemade food, then definitely you have to try outside food. They should have that much strong digestive system also, so that they can adjust with the junk foods also sometimes. So you should sometimes, like once in a month or twice in a month, you can give them junk food. It's not a bad thing, because their body should be adjusted to that also. Now the next is most important tips for you, that don't give them unhealthy rewards. Like what we are doing when our kids are small, we are telling them, if you do this, I'll give you chocolate. If you do this, I'll give you the chips. So all these rewards we are giving whenever they are doing some good things. So don't promise for that. So in place of that, you can say, suppose if you are doing this, I'll give you a pencil box, I'll give you a sketch pen, I'll give you something else, whatever the kids like. Okay, don't give unhealthy rewards. This is also a bad habit which we parents are creating for our kids. So these were all tips from my side. You just try all these tips. Definitely you will get some good results, and definitely you can keep in this way your kids away from the junk food. So the first and the most important thing you have to remember, keep away all the junk foods from your house. I know that in everyone's house these junk foods are available, and these junk foods, if you are keeping in your home, definitely your kid will eat that, and again you will be having problem that my kid is not eating well because of junk food. Because junk food fills their stomach and they will not be having that hunger to eat the food, and then they will have problems. Then they will not get the nutrition value out of the food, and definitely they will fall sick, and all these problems occurs. So this was all about my video today. So you just try all these things, definitely you will get the positive results, or you should not give up using all those things, then only you will get the results. So thank you everyone for listening to me. Bye bye.